Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need an NFC-capable Android and decent battery. Once ready, open Settings and head straight to Connected Devices. From their Select Connection Preferences, find NFC and flip it on. Make sure you add the NFC tile to Quick Settings for repeat use. You're doing this now so permissions and system services initialize. Doing it early prevents surprises when you test tags or payments. If the NFC option is missing, double-check model specs and Android build before proceeding. Once NFC is enabled, set how it should behave. Open the NFC or Payments section and choose your default tap and pay app so contactless payments work instantly. Then grant required permissions to the app you'll use for tag reading or writing. This often includes nearby devices or storage access. If you plan to write tags, install a reputable NFC writer app and select Write mode inside it. Make sure you understand read versus write modes. Write will overwrite some tag types, so proceed carefully. Now finalize by testing. Tap a known NFC tag or a contactless card to the phone's NFC area and watch for vibration or a notification. Use an app like NFC Tools to read tag content or to write a simple URL. Once the phone recognizes the tag, your setup is complete. If it fails, toggle NFC off and on, reboot the phone, temporarily remove protective cases, and retry. These steps fix most hardware alignment or software holdups. If still failing, confirm the tag type is compatible with your device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.